Thank you for joining us tonight. Tonight we are getting some insight into the Alex Murdaugh verdict.
3 of the people who decided his fate are now talking about how they reached that decision.
Witness testimony was very believable, and the kennel video definitely played a major part in his testimony.
We already know that he's a lawyer. He's able to be emotional with cases. He's able to be emotional with himself. He knows, like what she said, when to turn it on and off. So I think that we were kind of able to read right through that.
Jurors Amy Williams, Gwendolyn Jenneret, and James McDowell appeared on the Today Show this morning. They said when deliberations began, initially 2 jurors voted not guilty. We are told that after further discussion and another review of the evidence, all of the jurors agreed on a guilty verdict.
Murdaugh's trial may be over, but that doesn't mean it's the end of his legal troubles. He still faces almost 100 charges for financial crimes. WSAV's Andrew Davis has been following every day of the trial. Now he tells us what's next.
Sentence you for a term of the rest of your natural life.
The nation and the world seem to be watching Alex Murdaugh's murder trial and conviction. But the legal issues that disbarred lawyer has didn't end with sentencing.
The Beach family stood on a causeway for 8 days while their daughter's body was in the water. I don't know that there's any amount of money that somebody would willingly take to go through what they've gone through.
The Beach family is asking for money from Alex Murdaugh, who allowed his son Paul to drink, and from Parker's, who sold the alcohol to the underage boy using his brother's ID. A brother that was 3 years older and at least 5 inches taller than him. Alcohol that led to a deadly boat crash that killed their daughter Mallory. And while Maggie Murdaugh's estate has settled with the Beach family for about $3.9 million total, Alec and Parker's are ready to take this to court.
I started printing the canceled checks off. I could see Bank of America on the back and Alex Murdaugh's signature.
Jeannie Seckinger of the Parker Law Group is talking about the checks made out to Forge, a fake company that Alex created to steal money from clients, his former firm, and even his own family. Charges he seemingly admitted to on the stand.
I have stolen money that did not belong to me, that I misled people to do it.
Those checks are part of the 99 financial charges he still faces, charges that could tack on close to 200 more years behind bars. But those financial crimes could be important as well because Murdaugh's attorneys say they want to appeal his case all the way to the Supreme Court if necessary.
They won this case the day the judge bought into letting them put every piece of, stealing from kids who lost their mother, from somebody with pancreatic cancer, somebody that's a paraplegic. I mean, all of that 2.5 weeks, by the time they got done with it, it didn't matter about final argument. It didn't matter about what we put up. They would never, ever, ever acquit him after that.
That was Andrew Davis reporting. So far, only the Beach civil trial has been put on the criminal docket for August 14th. Judge Newman did say in court that he wanted to start the financial crimes cases soon. You can see more of our coverage, including previous stories and exclusive content, WSAV.com/Murdaugh. Developing now, an 18-year-old is being treated for a